Good day everyone, I am Oliver Digamo Larita, and now I will going to recite the 25 Forest Policy. First is Act, a decree, edict, or law, especially one proceeding from a legislative body. Two is alienable and disposable land, refers to all areas delineated or discriminated as not needed for forest purposes. Number 3 is arrest, an act of taking a person into custody in order that he may forthcoming answer and the commission of his offense. Number 4 is auxiliary invoice, a document issued by the BIR which contains complete listing of forest products and specified forest charge. Number 5 is barangay, refers to the smallest political unit of the government endowed with the power to own properties, to should and to pass ordinances affecting its government affairs. Next is certificate of origin, a document issued by the BFD for every shipment of forest product from one place to the other. Next is civil and military reservation, refers to those lands which are utilized by the civil and military purposes. Next is code, any symptomatic collection or diggings of the existing of a country, any system of collection or points of law. Next is confiscation and appropriation through court order of law products and found illegal, including accessories used therein. Next is critical watershed, a drainage area of a river system supporting an existing proposed hydroelectric power irrigation works or domestic water facilities needing immediate protection of rehabilitation. Next is decree, an ordinance of edict promulgated by civil or other authority. Next is destination, the place where forest products are unloaded from the carrier outside the territorial jurisdiction of a certain concession area. And next is ethics, conforming with an accepted standard of good behavior. Next is exporting, the system of transporting products from one country to another, either for sale or for barter or for exchange. Next is firewood, refers to all cut and gathered trunks and branches of trees used for domestic household fuel consumption. Next is forester, a person who has been professionally educated in forestry with a qualification to practice forestry of an equivalent degree. Next is forest occupant, an individual actually and directly occupying or cultivating public forests as of December 31, 1983. Next is forest offense, an offense made by any person inside the public forest which has an absolute purposes without prior authority. Next is forest officer, any official of BFD who has been delegated by law to execute the forestry laws, rules, and regulation. Next is forest policy, a branch of forestry which deals with practices and courses of action underlying the management and development of the forest property. Next is forest products, comprise all goods and services obtained from the forest, either in raw, derived, or process form. Next is forest protection, the study which deals with safeguarding, protecting, tending, and caring of forest resources from various injurious agencies. Next is forest reserve, refers to those lands which have been reserved by the President of the Philippines for any specific purposes. Next is forestry, the scientific management of forests for the continuous production of goods and services. Next is fuel wood, refers to all cut, gathered trunks and branches of trees used for commercial fuel consumption. Next is illegal forest products, pertain to all forest products derived from the public forest land without any supporting official documents. Next is indiscriminate logging, pertains to the injudicious cutting of trees which eventually detriment future tree crops. Next is law, a rule of conduct just obligatory and laid down by legitimate power for common observance and benefit. Next is lease, a privilege granted by the state to a person to occupy the possess any land wherein rental of clearly specified. Next is license, a privilege granted by the state to a person to utilize forest resources within any forest land and with the right to establish the operate processing plant therein. Next is log supply contract, a written agreement entered into by between a license holder and a log buyer that the former supplies log to the latter over a specified period of time. Next is log transaction form, an accountable form prescribed jointly by the BFD and PWP and PLMA issue to license holder indicating the place of transaction and log sold the both by the vendor and the vendee. Next is mangrove forest, that type of forest occurring on tidal flat along the sea coast, extending along stream where the water is brackish. Next is marine park, any public offshore area delimited as habitat of rare and unique species of marine flora and fauna. And the last is memorandum, a note used in aiding the memory, a brief record, and informal communication about office matters sent among the staff of a company or an organization. That's all. Thank you.